This week for euro dollar, I'm focusing on a aggressive shorting opportunity, right? So I am waiting for a selling opportunity over here, and that is because on the weekly chart, I have a RSI divergence, right? For those who aren't very clear about this, you can see that there is equal high, or sometimes the second high is higher than the first high, but the RSI is getting lower. This is your RSI divergence, usually a good sign for looking out for a shorting opportunity. However, this is not the end all be all. That means if this happens, it doesn't mean that it will always happen. That's why we need further confirmation, like tested strategy for at least 100 times per time frame per currency pair before we can jump in for a shorting opportunity. Let's move down to the lower time frame. On the daily chart, let's have a look over here. Overall, it's still a bullish trend because we are betting on a reversal, right? So overall, we are like a counter trend trading. That means when the market is going up, we are selling, or the market is going down, we are looking for a buying opportunity. That's known as the counter trend, right? So to the 4-hour chart, what's nice that can help me to build on this shorting opportunity is this trend line break. Although usually I use it on the first account over here. However, right now we can see and watch closely if it does give us a shorting opportunity in the coming week, right? And for those who have make a trade and bought it over here, congratulations. You have a running bits of 64 pips, right? If you traded a stand contract, that's 604p, 640 US dollar per stand contract trader. So if we hit down to the 1-hour chart, this is what I'm waiting for, right? So early on, we did say about weekly chart RSI divergence, but we're not short it right away over here. We drop down to a lower time frame, and we do have a bearish shock pattern setting up at 1.1578 over here. All it's needed is for me to wait for a magic candle confirmation to engage for a selling opportunity. And at a different take profit level, I will see if the market is able to break and close below the price. And when that happens, I know I can hold on to my trade. If it doesn't, then I know that's the place that I can do a partial profit or full exit, depends on which level it is. And at the minimum, I can shift stop loss to entry. So to human terms, that basically means when I shifted my cut loss price to the entry price, should the market reverse, I will not lose a single cent, right? So in trading and investment, the important thing is to protect your capital. So if you want to learn this way of trading that you just spend 15 minutes a day, join me in DM.